Alright, so this guy here is really worth a video. I'm getting ready to detail clean this interior on this Tahoe. I have a truck just like it, except mine is a Suburban. I don't know what year this is. It's an '02. And man, mine's an '01, so this is kind of like the same car as the car I have. But, except mine isn't like this at all. Not at all. At least it's clean in there. It's just, oh man. This is gonna be fun. Man, this is just like my car inside. Let's lift the seat up, see what's up under the seat. Man, we got some goodies under the seat. We got some pop, some candy, some cigarettes, a Frito. Got some water. Man, just wait until this is done. I mean, the leather isn't too bad. Nah, it's bad. It's bad. At least the front seats look better than my truck, dude. But man, the thing had music in it before, so looks like it did. Oh man, with this back piece. Ooh, this is gonna be incredibly fun. Crazy fun, I guess. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this job I was working on. It's the back of that Tahoe. It's a lot of scuffs and stuff everywhere. Let's look down up in here. It's a red stain. You know how red stains are. They don't really come out too well. I got all the goodies from up under the seat. All the cigarettes, Fritos and whatnot. I just waxed it too, so it's all pretty fine and dandy. Ooh, let me get my finger out the way. Got all that junk from out of there. This is a pretty neat little hookup again.